challenge was one of how do you keep up with all the documentation.
You know, we were in that time where we were transitioning from the physical form to keeping digital records.
We had boxes, we had files. I had to physically go to the schools to check their files.
And we would have to wait till the end of the year to collect everything, and it was a mad scramble to make sure you had everything.
So Title1Crate has really allowed us to have one place to have all of our documents stored.
By using Title1Crate, we're able to keep everything in one place.
That is easy to go and grab and be able to have access to quickly.
We're able to ask for what we need, and we're able to have two-way communication.
And I was really worried about how difficult implementation was going to be, and it was not difficult.
All we have to do is go to Title1Crate and everything is in there.